So guys, for the first step, you're going to head up with search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And then once you run this, you should be having something here that says unallocated and it should be black. Now once you find this, you're going to right click on it and then click on new simple volume. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next and then click on next again. You can now assign the drive letter. So you can just make it any letter right here. I'm just going to keep it on the E drive and then click on next. And you're going to select format this volume with the following settings. You can now choose your file system. Most of you guys probably want to go with NTFS. And you can set your allocation unit size. I'm going to keep it on the default. And you can set your volume label, so the name of your drive. I'm just going to call this drive Speedy Tutorials, for example, which is my channel name. You can call it whatever you want. And then click on next. And then click on finish. It's now going to format your new drive. And now for the next step, if we head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you run this, on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. You should now be seeing your new drive right here, and this should now fix your problem.